Hey, welcome back to Truck U. This is our buddy Brooksy's Raptor. Now, this is the truck that we had to drop everything for because Brooksy insisted we get this thing running again.
Yeah.
So the batteries were dead. We had to pull this thing in here. So we charged the batteries up, and right now we're showing we've got a little over 12 volts, right? So what we're thinking is going on is the alternator has died. So the way we're gonna check that is by you to go ahead and flip the switch and see what happens with the voltage when you do so.
All right.
You think he'll be happy when he comes back?
I think he will
At least be in a better mood. All right.
Let me know when you're ready, boss.
I'm ready, boss.
Oh, hold on.
All right, kill it. Man, it's dropping. It's, we're sitting at about 12.2, and you crank it, it drops down like it should. Once it comes off the starter, it's not charging at all, man.
Yeah.
It just sits there at 12 volts.
All right.
So that means that alternator is junk.
Okay. Well, that's not too bad.
No.
We can get that fixed.
So you hop up there and start pulling it out, right?
Fortunately,
You're nice and limber.
This is our brand new replacement alternator that we got from Valeo. And when I say brand new, I'm talking about the whole thing, inside and out, new core, new everything.
Yeah, it's not a remanufactured one. It always leaves me a little uneasy when you get one that someone's rebuilt and you're supposed to put it in as new, especially when it comes to an alternator.
Right.
The last thing you want is to be stuck on the side of the road like our buddy was.
Yeah.
The other thing too that's nice about this alternator is the fact they use premium rare earth magnets. And what that does, it gives you more of an output in terms of overall voltage. And the idea there is basically you get more power in a smaller casing. So you've got the power of a really big alternator in a smaller case, and that just makes life a whole lot better for everyone.
And all of these alternators are application specific, so you know that you're not going to have any fitment issues. I mean, this one's going to go in the same way that one came out, which means we can do the job quickly before you know who gets back here, because I'm not going to say he's hot-tempered, but he's mildly aggressive.
He's got an aggressive nature, kind of like an alligator.
Yeah.
It's the medulla oblongata.
Like a hungry alligator.
I think that's what it boils down to.
That you've been feeding.
All right, you got this?
You know you're not supposed to feed those things.
I'll spot you from down here.
All the signs that say don't feed the alligators, those are there for a reason.
You ready?
Yeah, man.
Fire in the hole.
All right.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Good.
That thing is a charging.
Yeah, all right.
Job done, man. Nice work, buddy.